What if your house could survive a .50 caliber round, float down the Mississippi, and carry a $3 million Ferrari in its belly? Sounds like sci-fi, but American roads are currently being conquered by 40-ton rolling fortresses. We're talking 200 square foot mansions that expand hydraulically, drawing 20,000 watts of solar power and boasting price tags up to $7.3 million. These aren't just RVs. They are peak aerospace engineering masked as mobile luxury. Today, we are breaking down the 10 most mind-boggling, logic-defying motorhomes in the US. You won't believe what's waiting at number 1. Before we drop the jaws, hit that subscribe button and join the vision-based crew for more engineering marvels. Number 10. The Kiraavan. Forget everything you know about camping. The Kiraavan is a custom-built 51-foot all-terrain monster designed by a Silicon Valley genius for his daughter. This carbon fiber beast is powered by a 260 horsepower Mercedes-Benz turbo diesel engine paired with a custom 4x4 or 6x6 drive system that can tackle 45-degree slopes. What makes it crazy is the tech. It features a roof-mounted thermal imaging system, 11 high-definition cameras, and a drone launcher to scout traffic ahead. The interior looks like a NASA control room, packed with server racks, a mapping station, and enough lithium-ion batteries to power a small village for 14 days without a recharge. It even has an eco-friendly incinerating toilet that burns waste at 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Total cost? Over $4 million of pure, unadulterated tech. Number 9. SEK Maxis Lifeome V90 Villa Edition. This vehicle literally redefines the laws of physics and spatial design. At the push of a single button, the Maxis Lifeome V90 activates a dual hydraulic system that extends the sidewalls horizontally and lifts a second story completely out of the roof. This creates a staggering 215 square feet of upper-level living space, complete with a walkout, tempered glass balcony. The second floor acts as a futuristic tea room or Zen space, accessible by a private internal one-person elevator. Yes, an actual elevator inside an RV. The entire unit is a smart home paradise, run by a proprietary AI system controlled entirely by voice and gestures. With advanced solar panels lining the roof and an integrated OLED transparent TV, this $280,000 marvel brings sci-fi architecture directly to the highway. Number 8. The Heat. When Hollywood royalty hits the road, a standard trailer just won't cut it. Valued at a staggering $2.5 million. The Heat is a 55-foot, 22-wheel skyscraper on wheels designed by Anderson Mobile Estates. When parked, its massive hydraulic lifts raise the entire roof by 42 inches, instantly creating a double-decker mansion with over 1,200 square feet of living space. The upper level features a private, state-of-the-art screening room that seats 30 people, equipped with a 100-inch drop-down screen and satellite audio. Downstairs, you'll find $300,000 worth of premium granite countertops, a full makeup station, and a master bathroom featuring a smart glass shower that transitions from completely clear to fully opaque at the touch of a button. It is pure Hollywood excess engineered to absolute perfection. Number 7. TerraWind Amphibious RV. Why choose between a luxury yacht and a premium motorhome when you can literally have both? The TerraWind, engineered by Cool Amphibious Manufacturers International, is a 42-foot luxury coach that can drive straight off a boat ramp into a lake at full speed. On land, its heavy-duty highway chassis cruises at 80 miles per hour. In the water, a specialized power takeoff system shifts engine torque to dual 19-inch bronze propellers. Constructed with a fully waterproofed, marine-grade fiberglass hull, it smoothly navigates rivers and lakes at up to 7 knots. The interior features absolute opulence: water-resistant teak, wood cabinetry, gold-plated fixtures, a marble-lined jacuzzi tub, and a rear swim deck that folds down directly into the water. For $1.2 million, the phrase, "end of the road," no longer applies to your travels. Number 6. Furion Elysium. The Furion Elysium is a 45-foot-long concept of pure luxury that took the tech world by storm when it debuted at CES. It is essentially a multi-million-dollar penthouse strapped to a commercial chassis. The crown jewel sits right on the roof, a fully operational helicopter landing pad, complete with a Robinson R-22 helicopter resting comfortably atop the vehicle. When the RV is in motion, the helipad lowers hydraulically into the bedroom ceiling below to maintain a low profile. But the tech doesn't stop there. The roof also boasts a heated two-person jacuzzi and an outdoor entertainment lounge. Inside, 375-inch 4K smart TVs stream data via a dedicated satellite array, while the entire cabin operates via an advanced AI smart home ecosystem. It's a $2.5 million playground for the ultra-wealthy. Number 5. Global Expedition Vehicles Patagonia. If you want to survive an economic collapse or cross the Darien Gap without chipping your paint, the Patagonia is your answer. Built on a heavy-duty Kenworth or International truck chassis, this expedition vehicle is wrapped in a 4-inch thick, multi-layer composite body that provides marine-grade thermal insulation down to -30 degrees Fahrenheit. It is engineered for total off-grid isolation. It carries 200 gallons of fresh water, a commercial-grade water filtration system, and a massive 800-watt solar panel array linked to 3 Mastervolt lithium batteries. The rear features a heavy-duty hydraulic gear lift capable of holding 2 full-size dual-sport motorcycles, starting at $650,000. It's a rugged, bulletproof tactical base camp disguised as a high-end luxury apartment for serious global explorers. Number 4. Volkner Mobil Performance S. This is the ultimate German-engineered masterpiece of mobile luxury, carrying a mind-melting price tag of $2.4 million. Stretching 40 feet, its defining feature is a patented, slide-out central garage tucked neatly between the front and rear axles. With the push of a button, a hydraulic platform slides out onto the asphalt, allowing you to drive a low-profile supercar, like a Bugatti Chiron or a Ferrari LaFerrari, directly into the belly of the beast. The interior is a masterclass in yacht-inspired luxury, featuring real wood veneers, hand-stitched Italian leather, and a custom kitchen with a built-in espresso bar. It is powered by a massive 460-horsepower Volvo engine and carries a 2,000-watt solar grid on the roof, meaning you can park your rolling luxury estate in the wilderness without ever losing power to your wine cellar. Number 3. Element Palazzo Superior. Holding the title of one of the world's most expensive production motorhomes at a staggering $3.7 million, the Element Palazzo Superior looks like a spaceship designed by a high-end watchmaker. Its exterior features a striking aerodynamic 13-foot-tall silhouette inspired by aviation, complete with a massive circular helicopter-style panoramic windshield. Its wildest feature is the Sky Lounge. At the press of a button, a hidden section of the roof lifts hydraulically to reveal an integrated rooftop bar, complete with radiant floor heating, a built-in stereo system, and automatic sun canvases. The body is built entirely from ultra-lightweight, high-tensile carbon fiber. Inside, a master bedroom features a king-size bed crafted by the same company that supplies the British royal family, alongside a spa bathroom with a rain shower. Number 2. EarthRoamer SX. Built in Colorado, the EarthRoamer SX is the absolute peak of extreme luxury overlanding. This 34-foot behemoth is built on a massive commercial Chevrolet Silverado 6500 4x4 chassis, powered by a roaring 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8 engine. The body isn't pieced together with screws. It's a single, seamless molded piece of carbon fiber, making it vastly lighter and exponentially stronger than any traditional RV. The specs on this thing are genuinely absurd. It carries 1,600 watts of solar power, a massive 10,000 watt-hour lithium-ion battery bank, 100 gallons of diesel, and 250 gallons of fresh water. That means you can live off-grid in absolute luxury for months at a time. The interior features premium maple cabinetry, heated stone floors, a washer/dryer, and a dry bath. It is a $1.1 million tactical bunker wrapped in pure luxury. Number 1. Action Mobile Global XRS 7400. This is it, the undisputed king of absolute, logic-defying vehicular engineering. The Action Mobile Global XRS 7400 is an 18-ton, 6x6 ultimate expedition vehicle from Austria that costs an astronomical $1.3 million before customizations. Powered by a colossal 630 horsepower engine, this six-wheel drive military-grade Titan is built to conquer the most punishing deserts and frozen tundras on Earth. The level of self-sufficiency here is terrifying. It features a 220-gallon freshwater tank, a 440-watt solar array, and a heavy-duty hydraulic rear lift that carries an entire UTV or a pair of adventure bikes. But here is the kicker. The walls are reinforced with ballistic armor paneling, and it features an overpressure NBC, nuclear, biological, and chemical air filtration system. It is literally an armored, apocalypse-proof mobile penthouse designed to keep you safe and comfortable, even if the civilized world completely stops spinning outside. So, if the world goes south tomorrow, which one of these rolling fortresses are you taking to the horizon? Would you rather cruise across a lake in the amphibious $1.2 million TerraWind, or hold down the fort in the apocalypse-proof 18-ton Action Mobile Global XRS? Personally, having a private helicopter pad on top of my house sounds like the ultimate flex. But hey, a hidden supercar garage isn't a bad consolation prize either. The luxury mobile market has completely blown past reality, turning heavy-duty military platforms and aerospace engineering into elite penthouses on wheels. It proves that with enough horsepower, high-grade carbon fiber, and a few $1 million, American roads can handle literally anything. Drop a comment below and let us know which beast totally broke your brain today. If you love seeing the impossible brought to life through extreme engineering, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Vision Base, and turn on notifications. We've got plenty more mind-blowing machinery heading your way soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.